Welcome back to episode 2 of turning our $600 Subaru Liberty into a rally car using parts we got from Marketplace.
For this episode, we've picked up some tools, off Marketplace of course, and it's time to start rebuilding the engine.
Let's do it. What's that noise?
So we've had some troubles. What's going on, Caleb?
It's fucked. It's completely fucked.
All the fucked.
This wheel, or at least we think it's that wheel, is seized for some odd reason, so we're using this here jack out of the back of my car to fix it because none of us brought a floor jack.
Can you position it for us?
Yeah.
I'll give it a wiggle when you position it.
Yeah, you twist it and I'll put it in.
This is probably one of the best handles I've ever used with one of these.
Put it back down so you can crack the lugs while it's...
It doesn't matter, it's seized.
Is it seized?
Yeah, completely.
What? Why?
That's what we're about to find out, isn't it?
Well, we found our problem, so
We don't know what it is.
we found the problem, the area of problem.
So we're now removing the brake to see if the brake was seized, and that's the problem.
Someone give me the ratchet. Hey, I've found why it's...
Yeah, it's fucked.
I've found the problem.
We found the issue.
Great.
So,
Okay, that's actually good that it's the caliper and not the CV binding. Hey, look at that.
fuck, how's it so tight?
That's it. Ah! Gotta be an easier way to do this.
Or we grab a hammer and we whack the bottom of the caliper here until it pivots up.
Does anyone have a camera?
We don't have a hammer.
Do we have something big and heavy?
Fuck.
Hit it
Oh, hey,
harder.
look, there's some worms. I love that.
We've just remembered there's some silicone spray in the boot, which might help us unseize the brake. Score.
Silicone spray.
Oh, nice. What? You have a hammer? Oh shit, we actually have some left. Lovely.
Number one car hack. Lube your brakes to
my
go
God.
faster.
That's so true.
The silicone spray came with the car for a reason, hey?
Yeah. Fucking win. Do not fuck my finger, I swear to God.
Oh, fuck.
My finger. Hey, let's go again.
Yeah, it's not working.
Look how far we got it since you put the silicone spray on. So we got it a reasonable way just by putting those bolts back. Almost there. This is the one. It's coming off. It's coming off. Got it.
Yes!
Fucking took its fucking time, eh? Let's just take these out and put it back on.
Fuck, why not? Yeah.
That way at least we can roll it. Twin piston! How good, yeah, look at that. Hey, it looks like it's got a decent turning circle, eh? Can I just like snap this window off? It's in my way. I want to put my window down.
Unfortunately, that is all we could finish off for the day, and we are done. But next episode, which you are seeing now, big things are happening. There's an engine, and the engine is maybe or maybe not in the car. You will find out.
Next episode. You don't get to see that now. Come back, follow us, subscribe, like, share to yourself for the future
Do all the
or
things.
something. Click those buttons. Or don't, because algorithm addiction is real. I don't know. Just watch the next episode.